Hey everyone, picking up from where we were able to spend a few extra days in Philadelphia and see a few more of the sights. Without a doubt, the highlight of the trip for Rockwell was seeing the Liberty Bell. We are at the point where all the facts he gets to learn about the Liberty Bell also mix with his active imagination.
He already winged it. It keeps on getting quackier and quackier.
I love the logic. They've got a bell here, so they must ring it. And we tried for a little photo op in front of the Welcome to Philadelphia sign, which went really well. Quick readjustment, and this is the best we could come up with. So after this, it was time to see the last few sights and wander home. We did have to see the Liberty Bell one more time on the way back home. And we did our best to answer questions on the Liberty Bell for the next 2 weeks. I felt like I should really be studying up on metallurgy to try to field all the questions. So this center kind of deals with the tourism. The historical center kind of focuses on the tourism and all that without having to deal with the crowds of everyday life. So that's nice. You really like the Liberty Bell? Well, we saw it a few times already, bud. It was pretty cool, wasn't it?
Yeah, why does it always, why did they say that it always breaks?
Well, it sounds like it was made from a metal mixture alloy combination that wasn't super sturdy.
Oh.
Okay, we're gonna cross right now. Let's go.
What's sturdy mean?
Sturdy means durable.
What does durable mean?
Means that it doesn't break.
Strong. What does not sturdy mean?
Means that it does break.
Oh. What does sturdy mean? That was funny. That's why it got the biggest crack in the entire world.
I think you're right.
It's bigger than Liberty.
And after that fun adventure, we now had plenty to talk about. And it was time to pack up our tiny house from the RV Campus Park and Ride in Philadelphia and keep on moving. Leaving Philadelphia, we were exiting near the big shipping port. So we got to go over some cool bridges and see all the major industry in the area. And from here, we were on our way to Shenandoah National Park. And that's where I'm going to leave you guys for today. Thanks again for watching, and we will chat with you tomorrow.